7, see again for poster making. First of all, you will draw a box. As yesterday we were making or drawing a poster on eco-friendly Diwali. Okay, so what I said you, happy Diwali, you can write down. Make an image you can make an image of some crackers, whatever you like. And I know that you people are very good at drawing, better than me. You can draw it better than me, right? Then suppose you are writing here, say no to crackers and yes to life, right? You can write down any quote or any type of slogan here, which must be an attractive one. Sanchit, pay attention. After that, I'm going to check in your notebook, right? Then you want to inform people also. You want to tell people that why not to burst crackers. So you will write down, do you know? Okay, here you can make any emoji also. Okay, related to it. It's your creativity. Whatever you want to do, you can do it in that manner. Okay, you can make an emoji here. Okay, anything you can draw. Now, here the main points. Do you know? Like crackers increase pollution from 100 to 300%. Right? What I want to tell you is that you have to write down only main points. Okay? Yes, you can leave 2 lines also. Okay? Yes, your choice. But the thing is that it must be an attractive one. Because yesterday when I checked your notebooks, I saw that you people did not get what I want to deliver you. Okay, today I am making on the board so that you can come to know how to make a poster. Right? So in this manner, crackers. Then next point, causes many diseases or cause many diseases. Then you can write down the names. You are not making, both of you. Okay. So thing is that you will not write down complete lines. You will write down only main points. Okay. So what other things you can write down? It's, yes, great injustice with children. Yes. Who makes crackers? Okay. So it is great injustice. Okay. So next, again, you want to give some message. If you want to give some message, the message should be written in bigger words, bold words. Okay. So this Diwali, enjoy eco-friendly Diwali, gifts, plants and flowers to your friends. Okay. And at the last, this is the message to be delivered here. Message that you want to give, it is also to be written here. And the last thing, who is issuing it? Issued for public interest. So now see, here no organization is not, you can say issuing it. If any organization or any institution is issuing it, you will write down the name issued by. But here it is for general public. So issued for interest of general public, right? Great injustice with children who work in factories to manufacture these crackers, right? So in this manner, you will make one poster. So by the time you are making the poster, let me have a So now in this manner, you will make a poster. Yes, look at that. For interest of general public. It means that you are writing a poster for the general information of people so that they will also come to know how to have eco-friendly Diwali. Okay, right? So it means that you will make the poster accordingly. So now this is one poster, right? Now in your notebooks, write down the next question. Draw a poster. We will make two so that you can have an idea. Draw a poster. I'm writing on the board. Draw a poster. Issued by Water Management Board. Water Management Board. Water Management Board. Water Management Board about simple ways to save water. So now the next question for our poster making is that we have to make a poster in which we have to draw a poster for eco-friendly Diwali. It was the earlier one. Yes. You can make. Now the next poster which we are making is on ways to save water. Same way, first of all, draw a box on complete page. Show me this one. These will be in points. ऐसे पैरा नहीं लिखना आपने बेटा. Don't write down ways for para. Main points only in bullets. आगे bullets बना लो. Highlight करो उसको. Okay, rub it down and do again. Yes. Fair notebooks if you have. Yes, fair notebook both. Now, next afterwards, what we have to write down here, we have to write down what are the different ways to save water. We are giving tips. Okay, right? We are giving tips here to save water. First of all, an image. Which image we can make here? Raise up your hands. Droplet of water. Like this. Save water. Okay. Or it can be a tap also. Right? It can be a tap also, giving out water. So now, stand up you and you also. So now, draw any image. It depends upon your creativity that which image you are going to make. Make any image, a drop of water, a tap, or anything else that is flowing water. Right, good. So now, what heading? What attractive? Afterwards, I'll take. Yes, what attractive heading we can give? Water is precious, or water is life. Water is life. And you can also write down water is life. The fight to conserve water starts at home. Starts at home. Okay. So you can write down. See, this must, because this is heading, it must be bolder one. Right? It must be bolder one. Okay. And because this is message, it can be little less bolder. What things you want to highlight, highlight them. Suppose water is life. Right? In this manner, you can highlight it. Now we will write down tips to save water. Tips to save water. Here you can write down tips here by writing in the form of bullets. What points we can write down? Yes. Yes. What tips? How we can save water at home? First, don't take showers. Okay? Don't take showers. Stop running tops. Stop running taps. Okay. Fill a sink to wash the dishes. You can fill the sink at home to wash the dishes. This point can also be added. Note down this point. Fill the sink to wash the dishes. Fill the sink to wash the dishes. Here in this manner, only in the form of bullets, you can write down. Then, yes, fair. Then you can also write down. Install fountains with recycled water. If fountains are there, small fountains, suppose corner fountains or your electricity. Yes, very good point. Follow rainwater harvesting at rooftops. Okay. Follow rainwater harvesting at rooftops. Store rainwater. Avoid washing cars daily. Okay, this can also be one point. Avoid washing cars daily. Right? Use broom to clean the house instead of hose. Use broom to clean the house. Use broom. Yes, you can use broom to clean the house rather than washing the house. Right? So different tips you can write down. And at the last, issued by, who has issued it? Water Management Board. Issued by Water Management Board in public interest. Issued by Water Management Board in public interest. It means that for awareing the people, in order to spread awareness among people, this poster is issued. And these type of posters will be made, they will be printed and they will be stuck on the walls on the complete city, so that the people will come to know how to save water. Right? So clear this one? So these two posters, they have to be made in your fair notebooks. Yes. Issued by Water Management Board in public interest. So now we come. Which one? Which fire? We have done Vita Wonk after that, Arjun. Yes, we have done it. You were absent. Now, class 7, listen to me carefully. In case of poster, the creativity is of great importance. How you display your poster. Okay, that is very, very much important. First of all, give heading, right? Give an attractive slogan, make one picture, but the picture should not be made that you will waste most of the time. No. How you will do? You will make a simple picture that can easily be made. Okay. You can use different type of shadings. Okay. Right. And afterwards, when you will write down the main thing, the message containing, this is the main thing, the message containing part in which you are giving the tips to save water. So here you will explain about all the different parts or the points which you want to deliver to the readers. Okay. So what is the main purpose of poster? The main purpose of poster is to spread awareness among people. Okay. That the people should come to know what actually this poster is made. Like we have made for Diwali, in Diwali one, what we have made? We were appealing the people to have eco-friendly Diwali. And here we are telling the people to save water. Okay. So now at the last, never forget to write down about who has issued the poster. Okay, it is very, very much important. If you are not writing it down, then your marks will be deducted and you have to put poster in a box also. Right? So this is all about poster writing, and these two posters, they have to be made in your fair notebooks. And speech one we have done already. Good. Good.